I received a call about 3 in the morning that we had been broken into, that somebody had broken through our storefront simply by throwing 4 rocks through the window and pulled out one of our most classic pieces of furniture, and were gone in probably 15 minutes. I guess violated is a word that you hear a lot, and that's how I felt, that somebody had just broken into our space. And I was very concerned at the time that they may have done more damage, but they had simply taken that one piece of furniture out. But it left me with a very insecure feeling because we have a lot of glass in our space. We have cameras, we had lasers for movement, but in this particular case, this individual never even entered the space. So all of the time and effort that we put into a security system in this case didn't help our perimeter, which was really our most vulnerable area, we realized. I chose Riot Glass because I was very impressed with the quality of the product I saw in the videos. The demonstrations were very effective and showed how difficult it would be to get through the glass. The installation portion of the job went extremely smooth. We work with a lot of installers in our business, so I'm pretty critical on service level, and the people from Riot Glass were extremely professional, obviously knew what they were doing. They were in and out of here very quickly, very clean. When they left, there was nothing left behind, so I was very impressed with the quality of the people. All of them were top level. I think we're all feeling much more secure. I feel that the property is protected as high as I can possibly get it without taking away from the look of the building, because there is a lot of glass. So it gives us much more secure feeling within the building. I'm very glad that we went ahead with it.